Hi friends, today I'm going to teach about how to make things happen. To make things happen and achieve our goals, here are some key steps you can follow. Number 1, set clear and specific goals. Define what you want to achieve and make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Simply, we call it SMART, SMART goals. Having a clear target helps you stay focused and motivated. Second one is create a plan. Break down our goals into smaller, actionable steps. Develop a plan that outlines the tasks, timelines, and resources required to achieve each step. A well structured plan provides a roadmap for your actions. Take action. Being taking Take action. Third one is take action. Begin taking concrete steps towards your goals. Start with small, manageable tasks and build momentum. Procrastination and overthinking can hinder progress, so taking consistent action is key. Stay motivated. Fourth one is stay motivated. Maintain your motivation by regularly reminding yourself of the reasons why your goals are important to you. Celebrate small victories along the way and seek inspiration from others who have achieved similar goals. Fifth one is prioritize and manage time. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Effective time management allows you to allocate dedicated time slots for working on your goals. Minimize distractions, set deadlines, and maintain a focus on your priorities. Sixth one is stay persistent and persevere. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but maintaining persistence is crucial. Embrace setbacks and learning opportunities, adapt your approach if needed, and keep moving forward. Cultivate resilience and positive mindset. Seventh one is seek support and accountability. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who believe in your goals. Share your aspirations with trusted friends, family, or mentors who can provide encouragement, advice, and accountability. Consider joining groups or communicate communities related to your goals for added support. This is very important. Consider joining groups or communities related to your goals for added support. Eighth one is learning. Learn and improve. Continuously seek knowledge and skills relevant to your goals. Read books, take courses, attend workshops, and learn from experts in your field. Embrace a growth mindset and be open to feedback and self reflection. Ninth one is adapt and adjust. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plans as circumstances changes. Evaluate your progress regularly and make necessary adjustments to stay aligned with your goals. Embrace experimentation and learn from both success and failures. 10th one is visualize success and stay positive. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and maintain a positive outlook. Believe in your abilities and maintain a constructive attitude. Even during challenging times, your mindset can significantly impact our motivation and success. Guys, remember that making things happen requires dedication, perseverance, and consistent effort. By setting clear goals, creating a plan, taking action, stay motivated, seeking support, and adapting when needed, you can increase our chances of achieving your desired outcomes. Thank you.